A simple sentence consists of a single independent clause with one subject and one verb, expressing a complete thought. It can include compound subjects or verbs. For example, my mom drives me to school, or the weather forecast predicts heavy rain. Try creating your own using a subject, verb, and object. A compound sentence consists of two independent clauses joined by a comma and a conjunction like and, but, or so. Each clause can stand alone. For example, my mom drives me to school and she walks to work. Try completing this. I like to read books, and complex sentences consist of one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. A dependent clause cannot stand alone and often starts with a subordinating conjunction. If the dependent clause precedes the independent one, a comma is necessary. For example, if I miss the bus, my mom drives me to school. Coordinating conjunctions connect two independent clauses to form compound sentences. Use a comma before the conjunction. Examples include and for adding information, but for contrast, or for alternatives, so for results, for reasons, yet for unexpected contrast, and nor for adding negative ideas. Remember, FANBOYS, for, and, nor, but, or yet, so. Subordinating conjunctions link a dependent clause to an independent clause, forming complex sentences. If the dependent clause precedes, a comma follows it. For example, after the storm ended, Paul collected the branches. These conjunctions express time, cause, effect, contrast, and condition, such as when, because, although, and if. Identify sentence types by structure. A simple sentence has one independent clause like, the weather forecast predicts heavy rain. Compound sentences join two independent clauses with a conjunction, such as, the rain flooded the yard and the wind damaged the fence. Complex sentences combine an independent clause with a dependent clause, like, after the storm ended, Paul collected the branches. A simple sentence contains one independent clause with a subject and verb, like, Ivy loved to read. A compound sentence joins two independent clauses with a conjunction, such as Sally took Ivy to a library in Los Angeles and Ivy stopped and stared in amazement. A complex sentence combines an independent and a dependent clause, like, when the bell rang, the students left the classroom.